Hey, welcome back my friends to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and today we're going to take a look at the Rainbird 1-inch Y filter. This is a really basic filter that is recommended to be used on drip systems. And because Rainbird has a couple options of this filter, I want to make sure that you know that this particular one does not have pressure regulation built in. It looks almost identical to the Y filter that Rainbird has that has built-in pressure regulation. This one does not. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and take it out of the bag, and I'm going to kind of open it up for you. Let's quickly do an overview. This says 1-inch male by 1-inch male, and there is an arrow on here that shows the direction of flow right there. Okay, so water flows that way, here and out there. So you got to make sure you install it correctly. But really there's only three parts to this. There is the cap here, which I'm going to go ahead and unscrew. That is the cap. There is the actual filter. This is a 200 mesh screen filter. And then you have the Y base body. And that's it. It's a simple device that just consists of that base, the filter basket, 200 mesh filter basket, and then the cap. Okay, and again, just want to make sure you know that this one is just a filter. There is no built-in pressure regulation in this device. It is a simple filter that you can use to keep small pieces of debris out of your drip lines, or out of your system entirely if you're worried about filter for some other reason. Let's see if you can look through there. Not quite. Yeah, and that is really all there is to it. Rainbird 1-inch Y filter with 200 mesh screen filter. And if we can help answer any of your Rainbird drip irrigation needs or system design needs, troubleshooting needs, we're happy to help answer all those questions. Controllers, valves, rotors, sprays, drip, any question that you might have, feel free to reach out to us, phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll talk to you then.